Hello guys, my name is Aftab and today we will learn PHP variables. So what is PHP variables? So basically variables like a symbol which is store the values of like static values like a string or maybe some dynamic values or maybe some numbers. You can define anything. You could just like this is dollar symbol. You can define your variable name. This is like a is equal to value like sum of value some variable value, right? And you can define from here. This is like your variable a, name of the variable a, and value is this like string. Just you want to like print this, so it's simple. This is a and enter. That's it. And you can run your browser this file, right? You have to say variable variable.php. Oops, maybe some mistake. Variable, like variable. This is some variable value, right? So this is very simple. You can define like simple. And second one is like some dynamic value. Suppose this is a, right? Some variable value. Suppose someone and next variable is hello, right? And hello have some value. Maybe suppose some value, some hello value, right? And you want to like we can start from this value, we can change from this like suppose hello, because this is a value and this is same string value is another variable, right? And we can print from two values. See this, what is this? And in if you want to print next line, so this is like this, we are break, this is break line, br means break line. We can put like this, right? So we can see what is the print. First one is hello, second one is hello some value, right? So first variable is this and second variable is this. And now is we are printing like this. So what we see? Dollar variables hello value. The reason, because this is this dollar value like this. Suppose like this of variables. Now is variable look like this dollar hello, right? And dollar hello means this value. So guys, this is very simple. This is variables, right? And this is normal variable, right? So you can define your like dynamic value like this. You can pass like your string value here, you can pass another variable. So this is variables, and this is simple variables. So now we can define three things, right? This is normal variable, this is variable, and this is variable. See, this is hello, this is hello value, this is some hello value. So now is variable name is a, but this is variable. Now this is value from pick from here this and put it from the inside dollar from this, look like this hello, and hello value is this symbol. That's the reason printing like same value of this. So this is like variable, right? And same thing we have another things also. Suppose we are this is first example, right? This is first example, right? And second example we can also start from here, right? Suppose dollar means variable, a means name. The dollar a means, right, a value, right? A value, right? B is equal to b value, right? Same thing, c is equal to c value. Fourth one is d is equal to e value, and dollar e is equal to e value. Right, this is variables. We have like five variables, and every variables have separate value. And this one is data, right? Data is equal to, we can define the array. After some videos, I definitely cover the array. Array, this is like way of storing values, right? Multiple values you can store inside array, right? So suppose this is a, right? This is a, this is b. We are storing multiple values in array, right? Array is the collection of multiple values, right? Multiple variables. So this is data and define the value abc, and this is abc, right? And now we can define the for each loop, right? For each loop, this is for each. This is IDs netname, so you can use installing PHP add-on. So this is simple, right? Now we are defining echo values, right? Dollar values, variables, right? And we can define also, we can break line from here, we are, right? And we are printing from here. This is like, we can define the die, not in the execution code. Now printing from here. So very simple. We can define only A, B, C, and this is automatically pick data from here. And we can define from here variables. So this is variable and variables, right? So this is very simple. If you have any query about this variables, you can comment me. Definitely I revert. And thank you so much for watching.